Yeah, they murdered this scratching post. That's why we have to buy the other one. That one is so small. Oh, Mimi's curious already. Oh, Mimi, what is that? That looks so interesting. Here is the manual for the pieces. Oh man, it's him in the camera. Oh man, Yoni. Baby, Kiwi.
Ceiling, you mean?
Right.
Oder?
Okay, me again. Enjoying it a lot. His happiness is 10/10. I can see it in his face. Oh, Loki and Kimmy is on top. Wow. Oh, Lulu's coming. see. Oh, nee. So I bought this scratching post in Amazon a few weeks ago. As you've seen in the previous video, the old one is broken. Too much damage from the kitties, so I thought it's time to buy a new one. In the description in Amazon, it is called XXL Cat Scratching Post Climbing Tree Ceiling. The height is 240 to 270 centimeters ceiling height. Thickness is 8 centimeters in sisal columns. The colors that I bought is gray/black with beige sisal columns, and it costs for 29.99 euros plus 6.95 € shipping. I bought this one because we don't need to mount it in the wall, just adjust the height to fit from the floor to ceiling. Easy to install. Actually, I think it is less than 5 minutes and you're done. There are many boards for the cats to sit and sleep in, which is good. The price is affordable too, but the downside is it's not sturdy enough. Sometimes it's a little shaky when they climb up there, but overall for the price, height, and many cats can occupy on it, I'm fine with it. I'll give it 7/10. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Give a like and thumbs up if you like it. And if you want anything to be reviewed, just comment down below and I'll try to review it for you. Till next time, bye!